Hi everybody, it's Michelle Wildflower from Nature's Mysteries Apothecary, and I just wanted to let you know that on Wednesday, April 8th, we're going to be doing a live stream medicinal mushroom extraction with these three mushrooms here. I have a turkey tail mushroom, which I found this the other day, and that's actually what gave me the idea to do the live stream medicinal mushroom extraction, but it's not very big, so it's not going to make that much medicine. Last fall, when I was in the woods walking with my husband and my grandson, I found this chaga mushroom. It was up in the, really high up on a tree, and I had never seen chaga actually growing on a tree before, so I was unfamiliar with it. And I asked my husband, what is that growth, that weird growth on the tree? Because it looks kind of strange when it's growing on the tree. And he was like, that's a chaga mushroom. And I was like, too bad it's so far up the tree that we can't get it down. But my husband's pretty resourceful, and so he found a big stick on the ground and just hit the tree, hit this mushroom right under it, and it just popped right off. And so we'll be making some tincture with that. And then I also have this beautiful reishi mushroom that my son-in-law found. He's an excellent mushroom forager. I'll just show you the back of that because it's so beautiful. And so Wednesday, April 8th, like I said, at 2:30, we will be doing a medicinal mushroom extraction. So if you join us, you'll see how we do that. And then when you're walking in the woods, if you find these mushrooms, you can do your own medicinal mushroom extraction at home. It's a very simple process. It's not very long. The video won't take all day or anything. It's pretty short. So check us out on Wednesday. We'll see you there. Thanks. Take care.